baking essentials you need to start your baking journey. Hi, I'm Chef Ananya, and today I'm going to talk about what exactly you need to start your baking journey. I have been receiving a lot of comments and DMs about this thing that ma'am, what exactly we need to start a baking journey. And today we're going to discuss everything about that. I have been working into this industry for past 10 years, and after gathering a lot of information, I am here with these recommended products, and I highly recommend these products, which is going to be very useful for you. I hope this video helps you a lot if you are starting your own business or if you are a beginner. We'll start with the basic and budget friendly things. First thing you need is a turning table. And why do we need a turning table? Turning table is a must because anything like a cake, tea cake, anything which you want to decorate, it will be very easy for you to decorate on a turning table because it spins so smoothly. We have multiple turning tables like the steel one, the plastic one, but I will always personally advise you to go with the steel turning table. This is so smooth, it doesn't stop in the middle when you are making your cake or anything, and the best part is it is going to be for a long term. And I know it is going to cost you around 500 to 1000 rupees, depends from where you are buying. If you have a very good vendor, then trust me, you don't have to spend 1500 or 2000 on a turning table. You just need to find a good vendor. And here we have a plastic turning table. So if you will see, if you will just hear this out, it makes a lot of sound as well. So this is so annoying. This is the first thing, but the second thing, the more sound it is making, the less spinning will happen. So the first thing you need is a turning table. Now the second thing you need is a palette knife. We get two kinds of palette knife, the small one, the bigger one. It is offset palette knife. This is little bit bended, and anything is fine. If you're making a bigger cake, you can go with the bigger. If you're making a smaller cake like half kg, 1 kg, you can go with the smaller. Now the third thing you need is a whisk, because whisk is very important whenever you're mixing your batter or making anything. Now here comes the very important thing, that is a bread knife. A bread knife should be in your list because you're going to use this for slicing your cakes. You can work with a slicer also. This is very cheap. You can get it for 250 to 350 rupees on Amazon. But this is not something I will personally recommend you. If you're a beginner, please work with a bread knife. This will give you sharp slices. Fifth thing you need is a scraper. Scraper should be in your list. Why? Because you're going to give a clean finishing to your cakes. This is a steel scraper, this is a plastic scraper. Both the scrapers are good, but I personally recommend you the steel one. Sixth thing you need is your spoon. These measuring spoons are going to be very useful for you to measure baking soda, baking powder and salt. Now after the measuring spoons, you will be needing the weighing scales, and these weighing scale is the most important thing, because if you don't have a weighing scale, you don't need any of these because you won't be able to make anything. So now the eighth thing we need is the good quality of tins. Please make sure you're using a very good quality, otherwise it is not going to stay for a longer period of time. This is the tin and this is the ring, and you can use any of these. Now the ninth thing you need is a pastry brush. These brushes are going to help you for soaking your cakes or just glazing or anything, but this is a very important thing. These cardboard bases are used under your cakes for making the cakes look more pretty. 11th thing you need is the fondant tool. These tools are going to be very helpful if you're decorating your cakes with the fondant. 12th thing you need is the piping bags. Please use good quality piping bags, otherwise the moment you give pressure it will start tearing up. So these are the piping bags. These are reusable as well. If you want to throw it, you can throw it. I personally use and just throw it, but it is mentioned that this is reusable. 13th and the most important thing you need is a box of nozzle. I'm not asking you to buy all the nozzles, but you will be needing few basic nozzles, and day by day when you start your baking journey, ultimately you will gather a lot of nozzles. I just made a box of a lot of nozzles, and few basic nozzles like 1M nozzle you'll be needing, and the open star nozzle for making the shells and waves, and for writing on cakes you'll be needing a small tip nozzle, that is a very small hole one, and these 3 to 4 nozzles should be in your list as well. Now the 14th thing you need is bowls. You will be needing mixing bowls. You can use these plastic bowls, you can use the steel bowls, you can use glass bowls, any bowls are fine, but please make sure you have a separate bowl for your baking. Please do not combine it with your kitchen utensil, otherwise it will start stinking. And the most important, last but not the least, that is our 15th oven. So this is a Morphe Richard 60 liter OTG which I work with. I have other Unox one as well. But if you're a beginner or if you're planning to start your own business, then this can be your go-to oven. This is very nice. Like, I have been working for so many years, but I've never faced any kind of difficulty or any kind of oven temperature dropping. Nothing is happening. So I highly recommend this one, but you can go with some of the brands as well. You can work with any oven, Morphy, Richard, Philips, anything which you already have. But if you're planning to buy, do let me know in the comment section if you want me to help you with the oven or any of these things. I would love to help you all by replying all of your comments. Please let me know if you need any help. I will drop a link if you want. And these are a few things which you'll be needing, but I'm not saying that this is the only thing you need. The more you start working, the more you grow, you'll be needing more things, but this is just a beginner friendly video. If you're a beginner, then this video is for you, and I hope you find this video helpful. Do like and subscribe if you would like to see such more content. Till then, happy baking.